Children of God, if you type unboxing Catholicism on Google, chances are you will come across the Filipino content creator, Burns Kaazi. He was once part of a Protestant background and actively shared his faith within that tradition. Like many sincere Protestants, he loved Scripture and desired to follow God faithfully. However, as he continued studying and exploring deeper questions about faith, he encountered teachings that challenged his previous beliefs. He began to examine the history of the church, the role of the sacraments, and the authority behind Christian teaching. Eventually, he found himself drawn to the Catholic faith. Today, he shares his journey online, helping others understand the richness of Catholic teaching, thus unboxing Catholicism. His story reminds us that sometimes we must be willing to start again in order to discover something greater.